Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're going to make our legs super steady and super strong with a fun yoga flow. If you like feeling powerful and balanced, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new adventure. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, legs strong, shoulders relaxed, arms by your sides. Lift the chest gently and feel both feet grounded. Stand on one leg, place the opposite foot on the inner calf or thigh, avoid the knee, hands together overhead. Alternate between left and right. Stand with feet together. Bend your knees as if sitting in a small chair. Arms lifted overhead, back long and steady. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Front knee bent, back leg long and strong, arms extended in opposite directions, gaze over front hand. Alternate between left and right. Front knee bent, front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Front leg straight, torso leaning over it, bottom hand on shin, top arm reaching up. Alternate between left and right. front knee bent, back knee on the ground, chest lifted, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Hands under shoulders, legs straight, body in one strong line from head to heels. Stand with legs wide apart, feet parallel. Fold forward from the hips until the hands touch the floor or reach toward it. Keep legs strong and spine long while letting the head relax down. Standing with legs straight and hips facing forward, fold your torso over the front leg, keeping both legs long and strong. The spine stays long. Hands can rest on the shin, floor, or blocks. Alternate between left and right. Lie on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees open wide, hands resting on belly or legs. For 30 seconds, let's slow everything down. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Close your eyes if you want, and take soft, slow breaths. Feel your legs resting and growing even stronger as you breathe. Amazing job, Yoga Buddy! You were so strong and steady today. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so they can grow strong too. See you in the next adventure. Namaste.